LG dryers feature innovative technologies that deliver outstanding performance and reliability. After installing your dryer, we recommend that you use a simple installation test to make sure that the condition of the exhaust system is adequate for proper operation of your dryer. First, make sure that your dryer is cool before starting this test. If not, use the air dry cycle to reduce the interior temperature. Also, make sure that the interior of the tub is empty. Press and hold the temperature control and signal button simultaneously, and then press the power button. Once the display shows IN5, press the Start Pause button. The dryer will start the test, which will run for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. Do not interrupt the test cycle, as this could result in the wrong results. During the test cycle, monitor the FlowSense display on the control panel. If no bars are displayed when the cycle ends, the exhaust system is okay. If the exhaust system is severely restricted, the display will show 4 bars. Have your exhaust system checked immediately before continuing use. If you see a TE1, TE2, or HS error message, turn off the dryer and call for service. If you see a PS, PF, or NP message, this means that your dryer is not receiving adequate power or was not installed properly. Check to see that the power cord is installed properly for electric dryers. Also, try resetting your circuit breaker or replacing the fuse. For more information regarding FlowSense or powered cord installation, please see the following customer support videos.